How bad is he? Badly damaged. I don't know if we could fix him. At least try. There's no point. There's already a new class in development. It's much better. Really? It's got tender and everything. I'm sure it'll serve you better. But what are you going to do with him? He'll be put away. Meanwhile in the yard, the Fat Controller was scolding the trucks. You've deliberately disobeyed my orders, and you've caused an accident. You've caused Timothy to crash, and you've damaged the other trucks. What have you got to say for yourself? Your friends were not so lucky, however, to have survived that devastating crash you guys pulled off. I don't even know if I'll be able to replace those trucks that you decided to teach and smash up another engine. And he was right. Most of the scrapyards were filled with destroyed trucks. You hardly saw many engines in these scrapyards. A crane lifts the scrap out and dumps it out. But the engines on the Northwestern Railway always work hard. Lucky for the engines, they get repaired. Unlike the trucks. Some trucks are not so lucky. Thomas and Luke delivered the scrap trucks across the north and to the scrapyard. Luckily, the Fat Controller made an example of these trucks so as to not have any more accidents. The engines work hard, and they do their best. But sometimes, things happen, such as these. And trucks must pay the consequences for their actions.
Is he still here?
I don't see him. Where is he now?
This is where he crashed. He's gone.
Will he ever come back?
I don't know.